Okay, so now we have the three balls which will be used to make the equilateral triangle. So the next thing we need, the last actor we need to add to our game to make our fractal, is the creature to like jump around inside the triangle. So click on the Add Actor button again in the bottom right of your screen. And then we're also going to click again, Add from Media Library. Or you could draw your own. So pick either of these two options. I'm going to click Add from Media Library because I like the turtle that I got to pick from before. So I'm going to use the turtle again. See, it looks cool. You guys can pick whatever you want. You can pick this unicorn or butterfly, dragon. Looks cool. So whichever one you like the most. And we're going to click the Add button here at the bottom. So now you see I have this turtle. And the turtle's too big again, so the same thing that I did for the objects over here, I'm going to make it smaller, and just like before, I'm going to move it over here to the right. So right now, if I click this green button, which we all know, or if we don't know from before, this makes our program start. And we always have to be thinking, we're designing a computer program. So it follows a list of instructions, and it follows them perfectly. But right now, you can look over here, there's no instructions for our program. So, since there's no instructions, if I click the Go button, even though it says the program's playing right now, nothing's happening because nothing has any actions to do. So the next step is we're going to give them some code. And the way we do this is using the code over here. You see that there's these pieces and we can drag them onto the screen and we can make them do stuff. So the thing we want to do is we want to first make sure all of these objects go into the right place onto the screen. So the way we do this is by clicking on the Events button over here, and we're going to first click this block that says On Start. And let's start with a turtle, because the turtle is the easiest one to put where it's supposed to go. So if we click on the turtle picture, we can then go and click on the Events button over here and drag this block here, On Start, into our little area over here. This is where all our code is going to go to tell us what to do with our turtle actor. You see here up, it says code for turtle. If I clicked on a different shape, it would say code for this blue shape. But right now I'm working with a turtle, and I want to move the turtle right smack dab into the middle of the screen when we start this program. And it turns out the middle of the screen, the way we'd move him there is we'd take advantage of the fact that you see up here there are these numbers that change as I move around. These are the X and Y positions of this stage here. So when I go to the left and right, you see the first number changes a lot. That's because I'm changing my X position. So to do that, I click on the motion block over here for the turtle, and there's one of these blocks which says go to X0 and Y0. So if I pull this over here and put this onto the On Start button for the turtle, when I click Go, that should move the turtle from wherever he is here to where these two numbers say 0, 0, which turns out to be right in the middle here. So you see it gets closer and closer to 0 in the middle. So it's really hard to get exactly right. But when I click this green button, boom, look, the turtle jumps right to the middle. So this is going to be the first part in putting all of our actors in the right place. And then if I click stop, it goes back.